Hey Timmy, it's time for lunch.
Oh boy, what are you gonna get me now?
I'm not gonna get you lunch.
Why not?
Because you need to get your own lunch. You need to learn to grow up like a man like me.
What?
See, I made my own lunchable lunch. See?
How am I?
Look at my awesome hand sandwich.
Wow. How am I supposed to make myself lunch? Do I look like a mom?
No. We use the microwave.
A what?
The microwave.
What the hell is a microwave?
Oh, Timmy, your dreams are about to come true with nuclear fusion.
Well, you know, maybe I'm trying to go positive here.
You need to calm down, rather.
Maybe I'm just trying to go in positive. And
Oh, look, they fixed the map. Now you can do the huge jumps again.
well, maybe I'm trying to go.
Come on, Tim, let's learn to use the microwave.
Crap. I've been trying to go positive today.
Okay.
Not working. Okay.
The first step is
Wait,
to...
hold on. I can figure this out myself.
Timmy.
No, I can figure this out myself.
Timmy. What are you getting?
I don't know, some canned food, I guess.
Some canned food?
Oh, spaghetti and meatballs. Okay.
Delicious.
That's probably made by some pedophile. Look at his face. He wants children. Where's the balls?
I don't know. It's your mom. It's your house, Timmy.
No, it's not. It's my mom's house. Oh, there it is.
That little of a bowl for a big can of soup like that?
It's not soup, stupid.
Or
It's...
spaghetti and meatballs, whatever.
You know what? Maybe you should look over there.
See, Timmy, you can do this.
No, I can't. I won't go up. How about... Hold on a second. I can do this. Oh, boy. That looks gross. Oh, God. Ugh. Oh, God. Oh, God, that's nasty.
Timmy, you think that's gross? Just try to eat this.
Oh, wow, that looks so nasty.
Yeah.
So, what do I do next? Do I just blow on it?
No.
Then
You have to put it in the microwave.
Oh, okay.
The first step is opening the microwave.
Wait, I can figure this out myself. Hold on just a second. God, Jesus Christ.
And whatever it says up here, do that.
Wait, hold on. So, does it say, good stuff inside a half cup of vegetables for serving? No, I don't need that. Let's see. Child hunger ends here. Well, it's kind of still going on. Get off my blanket. Oh, microwave. Oh, 1 minute and 30 seconds. That's awesome.
Okay, Timmy, what you have to do is close the door and set it for 1. You can't do it. Oh my God.
Oh, wait. It's trying to tell us something.
It's a trick microwave.
Oh. No. That's no! Oh, wait, is that right?
Yeah, that's right. Oh, no, it's not.
Damn it. Wait, it's 1 minute and 30 seconds. Oh, okay, so right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my God. I can't wait this long. I'm supposed to be on Call of Duty going positive. Damn it! Go away. Why don't you look over there? Oh, look at my cat. Wait, what kind of shit are you doing? Hey, maybe stop looking at the microwave.
What do you want us to look at you?
No. Oh my god, this is taking too long. Oh my god. Oh. No. 8 seconds. I'm already not going positive. No. Jesus, finally. Okay.
Yeah, you. And so now you have a beautiful, nutritious meal thanks to the power.
Holy shit, it burns.
Thanks to the power of nuclear fusion.
Hold on just a second. I remember back in even though I'm only 20, if I'm 20, I don't know. How old am I? I've been playing Call of Duty a little bit too long.
Yeah.
But that's that. No, you don't tell me what to do.
Well.
Oh god, it burns!
And that's how Timmy learned to use the microwave.